Now this is a bit more like it. Magnetic Imperfections is the latest sound pack to land in Logic Pro for iPad's sound library. Rammed with all manner of warbly tape-saturated goodness, my first impressions are it's brilliant. In the Magnetic Imperfections sound pack, you'll find over 300 Apple loops, 26 synth and instrument patches, 4 drum machine designer kits, and over 75 drum samples. To grab this new pack, make your way to Logic's sound library, tap on the Magnetic Imperfections pack, then either preview it or hit get to add it to your sound library. This pack has also been released simultaneously on GarageBand for iOS, and there are some pretty big differences between the two versions. Poor GarageBand users only get 280 Apple loops, and that's it. Yikes. Right, I'll jump straight to the best bit of this pack right away, the instrument sounds. A mix of Alchemy synth and sample Alchemy sounds, the instrument patches on offer here are just absolutely lovely. What about those loops then? Pretty much every single sample here is swathed in lashings of tape saturation and warp effects. You can dive into everything from lovely melancholy piano sounds to down-tempo guitar loops and even weird glitchy effects. The 4 drum machine designer kits are quite understated, though more seasoned finger drummers will likely get more out of them than I do. And the included drum samples are of a similar lo-fi feel, adding them to your own custom drum pads to create your own custom lo-fi drum machine is dead easy and sounds great. A vast improvement over the content anemic Tosin Abasi producer pack that released last month. Magnetic Imperfections is the kind of sound pack I'd love to see more of in the future. Not only does it come with some fantastic instrument sounds and samples, it has a character all its own, which is a welcome departure from some of the more generic sound packs that have been released recently. I'd highly recommend giving the instrument sounds a whirl at least, but the pack overall, in my opinion, is an all-around worthwhile download. Let me know your thoughts on this brand new sound pack down in the comments, and watch this next for more info on available sound packs for Logic Pro for iPad.